Head, and I'm coming at you with my shave of the day for today. It's May 12th, 2018. And I did want to say thank you for joining me for the shave today. Definitely do appreciate it. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm not doing too bad myself here. It's a Saturday morning. What time is it? Around 10:30. Just figured to get my shave on here. I got about 4.5, going on 5 days worth of growth. Didn't really have a lot of time to do a shave this week, so looking forward to getting this done here. And before we get in the shave, I just did want to go through some of the equipment we'll be using for the shave today. Okay, so on the hardware side, the razor I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to preface this by saying this is kind of a grocery store shave. Now, this is a lot of stuff you'll find in the that I found at a local grocery store that you can use. So I already had this razor. My brother got me this for Christmas. It's the Hagen safety razor. See here, it's a twist open razor. See, butterfly doors. It's made relatively well. You know, I have another one that's very cheap. This is much better built. Around 20 bucks I think you can get this for, maybe a little less. The blade I have in here is also a Hagen. I figured, you could find this. Pretty much find these in tandem at the store. You'll find the razor, then you'll find the blades probably. So Hagen razor with the blade in it. The brush, you're not going to find this at the store. This is my haircut and shave code, 24mm Tuxedo style knot here. I like this brush quite a bit. I usually do see the Hagen has like Badger hair brushes there. I don't think they're that good of a quality though. And you'll probably pay more for that than what you paid for this. I got this for, I think they're going for like maybe around $12 to $14 on Amazon right now. So I found the better price and free shipping with Amazon Prime. So like I said, not a grocery store item, but you could probably get this cheaper than what you pay for a Hagen Badger hair brush. So we're going to be using that brush. We're going to be using a cream today. And the cream I'm going to be using, it's a new product. I actually went to the grocery store last night and I picked this up. I saw it and I was like, I'm going to get it. It's Kiss My Face. See there? Kiss My Face shaving cream. And this is the Cool Mint. I already have the lavender, so I just figured I'd get this one. This is around, I want to say like $5.99 or $6.99, something like that. But I get quite a bit. It's 11 ounces of shaving cream here, so that's what it looks like. Definitely a big bottle. It's a pump. You can see it pumps out. And the scent, let's see here. Yeah, definitely mint. Yeah, I don't know, maybe like I don't know. I'm not sure if it's like a wintergreen or a peppermint, something like that though. But it definitely does smell very nice. So I'm using the Kiss My Face Cool Mint shaving cream. And the balm I'll be using, just going to use this for aftershave. I picked this up from the store as well. I went to Wegmans, is the store I went to. They have a little bit better selection than maybe most stores do. But, hey, still a grocery store. And I'm going to be using this Duke Cannon aftershave balm. It's just called Ice Cold. So I expect this to be pretty cold here. What does it say? It's supposed to feels like you face planted into an Alaskan snowbank, it says. So, boy, that's going to be crazy. And it actually does have a scent note here. Scent of bergamot and sandalwood. And I do see actually in the ingredients here, it has tea tree oil in it as well. So, I'm going to be using this here. Looking forward to it. I think this was like $9.99. And it's pretty cool, actually. A portion of proceeds benefits U.S. veterans, it says right at the bottom there. So, it's always cool. Okay, so that's some of the hardware and the software we'll be using, so we can go ahead and get the shave started. So let's go ahead and rock this shave out. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to take my brush, run it under some hot water, and get it wet. Okay. I'm just going to pump in some cream here. You have 2 pumps. I don't know if that's too little, too much. I forget. So we'll just bring it to the face, start building up a lather here. Oh yeah, it's very minty, that's for sure. I put a little more water in this here, just to feels like I can get. I'm gonna go with that. I think that's looking pretty good. Dense and creamy. Right back. Sorry about that. Okay, so first pass with the grain here, going down. We'll see how this goes. This is gonna be tough for this razor. Generally not too aggressive, so this might be a little tough for it, but we'll see. Yeah, it's getting it done, but just not as efficient as I like it. This razor would probably be better with just a 1 or 2 days worth of growth. Almost 5 isn't ideal, but it's getting it done. It just takes a little more. Okay. And I gotta say, the cream did a good job here. It's very slick, cushiony. Got a good glide on this razor blade with it, no problems. There's like nothing even here now. Seems to be doing a pretty good job. Residual slickness. Okay, so that's good for first pass. Go for pass number 2 here. Need a little more water. Yeah, the mint scent is interesting. I don't necessarily think of mint as a shaving cream or soap scent, but hey, smells nice. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of cooling from it. I don't know if there's any menthol in this or not. Yeah, I couldn't say. Okay, so second pass, we'll go across the grain here. Yeah, feeling pretty good there. Like I said, not the most aggressive razor, but it gets the job done, pretty much. Third pass, we'll go against the grain here. A little more water in this, just a little bit. Just like adding some water in to keep it slick. Okay, so third pass will go against the grain here for me. So it's against, this is against for me here. Pretty smooth there, actually. For usually that's a tough spot. Maybe it depends on the blade, because I actually do like these Hagen blades. They actually work for me pretty well. Okay, so it's pretty good against grain pass there. Really no trouble, actually. For being that mild, it gave me no trouble, especially right here. This is usually a tough spot for me. Pretty thick hairs. Just put a little more on here for pickups. Okay, I'll just feel around. Oh, it's pretty close shave, actually. Just that first pass really stinks for me. That much growth, because it just can't get through it easily. But once you get it down, you get a nice close shave here. I'm just going to get a better look here, just to make sure I'm clean up. Yeah, looking good. As usual. No. Okay. So before I put on the balm, I'm just going to put on some of this Thayer's Rose Petal Witch Hazel. Makes the skin feel pretty good. Feels pretty good now, though, I gotta say. The cream does have a very good post-shave feel. Just a little bit. Yeah, I like that rose scent. Very nice. Okay, while that's drying down, we'll just go through again what we used for the shave. Okay, so we used the razor. The, oh, a little dirty. There we go. Get a rinse. The Hagen safety razor. You can find these at pretty much most stores in the U.S. Around 20 bucks, maybe a little less. This looks like Karen did a good job. It's the twist open. The blade, Hagen blade. So find these in a lot of stores too. If they don't even sell the razor, you'll probably find the blades. The brush, haircut and shave co, 24mm Tuxedo still on that. Did a very fine job. The cream says Kiss My Face Cool Mint. Very nice. I like this stuff a lot. You got a good deal on the for the cream you get, how much you pay. So did a good job. Okay, so then the balm will be this Duke Cannon Aftershave Balm. Ice cold. So this is a bergamot and sandalwood with menthol in it. Should be very cold. Okay, so let's try this out here. Just, it's already open, so that's what it looks like. Okay. Probably too much, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, it's way too much. Just wipe off what I got in my hand. It does smell pretty nice. There's no alcohol in this either. Yeah, it feels pretty darn good here. Yeah, this is, what is it? Alcohol, sulfate, and paraben free. So, it's pretty good. I'm getting the menthol now a little bit here. So it feels pretty good. My face feels awesome. Okay, so that takes care of the shave of the day for today. So I did want to say thanks for checking out the video. Definitely do appreciate it. Please like and comment below. Excuse me. I definitely like seeing both. But if you can't, leave one, leave the other. Always at least leave a thumbs up. Definitely appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. You can hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for you if you do that. I try to put out at least a couple of videos a week, so keep your eyes out. So again, thanks for watching the video. Hope you have a great day. Hope you have some great shaves.